Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best Uphold card for spending. So let's quickly dive into it. So if you want the easiest and the most rewarding way to spend your Uphold balance, the platform offers two card options that work anywhere Visa is accepted. The Uphold Elite card is the top pick if you want maximum pick. You get strong crypto reward on purchases, no foreign transaction fee, and the higher spending limit, which make it great for frequent travelers or heavy spender. It also converts your crypto or fiat instantly at checkout, so you can pay with whatever balance you hold. The other one is the Uphold Essential card, and is the simpler and also beginner friendly option. So it has a lower cost, still earn crypto reward, and also work with both physical and virtual version, which is perfect for everyday spending or online purchases. Both cards support Apple Pay and Google Pay, and both let you spend crypto, stablecoin, or fiat with instant conversion. So in my opinion, Elite is best for high reward and travel, while Essential is best for low cost daily use. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick breakdown, and comment which card you want a full review on. And that's it.